Hey folks, it's me, Adam. I'm back with a quick video on the recent controversy regarding censoring beloved children's books. Let's get right into it. In a storm of literary upheaval, the year 2023 witnessed Puffin Books, the cherished children's imprint under Penguin Books, plunging into a whirlwind of controversy by expurgating the literary works of the beloved British author Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl, known for his enchanting stories such as Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Matilda, James and the Giant Peach, and Fantastic Mr. Fox, came under fire for his regrettable use of racial and sexual stereotypes. In reviewing Tony Clifton's book, God Cried, which depicted the siege of West Beirut during the 1982 Lebanon War, Dahl used offensive stereotypes, including suggestions that Jewish financial institutions controlled the United States. In 2020, Dahl's family felt compelled to offer an apology, which ignited a still ongoing discourse. During his lifetime, Dahl had adamantly demanded that not even a solitary comma be altered in his books. But on February 19, 2023, Puffin Books shattered the status quo. Puffin proudly revealed their employment of sensitivity readers, who, for 3 long years, pored over Dahl's narratives. The use of sensitivity readers resulted in revised editions of his work that meticulously reimagined the portrayal of race, gender, and characters. Most references to men and women, boys and girls, mothers and fathers, and similar categories were replaced with gender-neutral words and phrases. For example, in George's Marvelous Medicine, the line, "he didn't have a brother or sister," was changed to, "he didn't have any siblings." Similarly, the references to masculine-only pronouns were also made gender-neutral. In The Big Friendly Giant, the line, "everybody is making his own rules to suit himself," was changed to, "everybody is making their own rules to suit themselves." References to cultural practices and indigenous lifestyles were also changed. In Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the lines, "I climbed up to their treehouse village and poked my head in through the door of the treehouse belonging to the leader of the tribe," was changed to, "I decided to speak to their leader." Some other controversial changes had to do with censoring words that meant crazy or mad, changing references to lack of privilege, and censoring references to alcohol and smoking. Outraged voices rose from the readers and authors alike, a tempest of discontent engulfing the literary landscape. Yet, in a curious twist, Puffin Books decided to find a middle ground. On February 23rd, they announced the dual release. Dahl's original, unaltered masterpieces would be reintroduced alongside the revised versions, forming the Roald Dahl Classic Collection. It was a precarious balancing act, their decision neither a retraction nor a steadfast commitment to their alterations. The reverberations of this controversy resounded through the literary realm, prompting many different voices to join the fray. Authors, politicians, and organizations stepped forward providing their own perspectives on this contentious matter. As the dust settled, the world discovered that Puffin Books' actions for Roald Dahl were but the first tremors. Enid Blyton, the celebrated author of The Famous Five, and Ian Fleming, the mastermind behind James Bond, would soon face the chisel of censorship as well. Additionally, the shocking revelation came to light that R.L. Stine's spine-tingling Goosebumps series had already fallen prey to censorship, leaving the author dumbfounded by the edits imposed without his knowledge or consent. In this tumultuous chapter of literary history, the clash between artistic integrity and societal sensitivities continues, forever reshaping the legacy of cherished authors and the boundaries of literary expression. Thanks for watching.